Well, hello. We're back again with the second time for Welcome to Rathe. And so I've done one Rathe, one Arcane and one Crucible. So this is the second time around. So now I will do maybe some Rathe and some Arcane before I come back to Crucible. But I've been really looking forward to going back to this box just to see what I can get. Because the first box did, well, okay, but not super. While the Crucible and Arcane did really well. No spoilers, you can watch those also. But I would say that they went above the luck curve, as you could imagine. I was really happy. And so, let's see here. And I'm working with the glare. No, I'm not. I'm gonna change that later. Not now. First box from the right side. I am coming kind of like superstitious now that you have to go right or left and not mix them. So this one is right. Let's see what we get. Okay. Do we get a Fable or Legendary? Brown and Brown Hide, Scar for a Scar, Slog, Scar for a Scar. And then we get two commons here. Scales, Sigil of Solace, and a Savage Feast, and the rare is a Super and a Route. So that's a good start, I would say. And as previously, foils and nice things go straight into sleeves. Basically because, well, this is a first edition print run and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Specials, rares, and common piles. And then we have our brute actions, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, nice size. And Dorinthian, some weapons. Let's see. Oh, let's do it. Sorry. Keep on pulling until we get something nice, and then we worry about the glare. Let's see here. Brown Hide, Blow, Flock, Razor. Some iron plates, iron rod. We have Blessing of Deliverance, yellow. Flick Flack, yellow. And Emerging Power. Come on. Savage Swing, Buckling Blow, Savage Swing, Wreck Ramp, Biting Blade, Head Jab, Sharpen Steel. So let's see, let's do commons. Always get the setup in kinda missing orders here. This is really bad. Wow, the glare is worse. Yeah. When we get Legendary, Fable, or a rare something else, we will fix the glares. Right now, okay. Reflex, Bull, Blow, Scar. And then we actually have some polters, Disable, a Stone's Response, and a Whelming Gustwave. Recurrent, Power, Smash, Path, Strike, Stroke, Knee, and Kudanchis. And like just seeing this as a second round of opening, you are less and less interested in all the commons and the class cards because you've seen them at least once. I mean, I don't have all the cards, of course, but it's nice to fill up with your generic ones. And then well, there are some supers and some mythics that I'm really looking for. Let's see here, and the gauntlets, Solace, Disable, and a Warrior's Valor foil. Nice. I mean, I've seen some decks when there is, this is really nice. Let's see, it's better anywhere. Debilitate, Savage Wing, Cartilage Crush, Smash Instinct, Driving Blade, Leg Tap, Sharpen Steel, and Abra. Demolition Crew, Wounded Bull, Slug, Brown Hide, more cross straps. We have Overpower, blue, Oh yes, Crippling Crush. This is a nice card. Well, for the Guardian at least, not for the opponent. Really nice. And a foil pummel. I mean, that's a good pack. I mean, a foil pummel, red, that's always a nasty card. And I mean, I'm sleeving that because I like that card. But Crippling Crush, that's great. It's a nasty evil card. I like it. Let's do this maybe. Yeah, something like that. Just because we can showcase our findings here. And then we have Stonewall, Smash, Stonewall, Rising Knee, Stroke, Whelming, Iron Song, and tokens. So one mythic out of kinda on par, 1/6 in each, 1/6 rare, or a 6 booster should have a mythical. Scar, Wounded, Blow, Slog, Helmet, Snatch, yellow, and Breakneck Battery, and a foil Radiant Onslaught. Romp, Blow, Bellow, Crush, Leg Tap response. I mean, let's see, let's keep it like... Show yourself, be cool. Demolition Crew, Nimbleism, Unmovable Crew, Merchant Food, Disable, Warrior's Valor, and a Scour the Battlescape blue. Instinct, Power, Primeval, Sharpen, Rising Knee, Iron Song, Open the Center, and a Bubble. I actually have like one of those, something like that, really few. Never tried out them actually in the sealed format or drop format, but I wonder why they are so valuable with the foil. I mean, of course, like rarity and all that to find, but I don't know. It seems like really just a collectible things. Sink Below, Wounding Blow, Wounded Bull, Slogism, Breaking Scales, Groan of Brutality, nice, need more of those. Fluster Fist, need more of those as well. And a Nimble Strike foil. Crushing Confidence, Bellow, Confidence, Swing, Path, Stroke, and a Blow. Alright, so we're going faster than before. This is our 11th booster. And we should get a mythical in this one or next, if you're really strict. A Reflexes, Slogism, Pummel, Sink, Iron Plate, a Flick Flack, a Fluster, and a Foil Disable. I think I have a lot of foil disables actually since my last pull, but I actually don't really remember. Stonewall, Savage Swing, Debilitate, Open the Center, Driving Blade, Strike, Fighting Blade, and a Romping Club. Always nice. And I've been kind of spoiled, I would say, with the other displays. So I got 9 mythics in my Crucible, and a really nice foil in the Arcane. So I mean, I'm kinda not spoiled, but like I got a really high luck level on my booster openings. Straps, Seals of Solace, Steel Blade Shunt, and Awakening Bellow foil. From Evil Bellow, Power, Pack Hunt, Buckling, Whelming, Iron Song, Surging, and a Red. Okay, so this is our last boosters on the right side, and should contain a mythical. Should. Slogism, Nimbleism, Sink, Unmovable, Ice and Peak, a nice Blackout Kick, another route, so that's another special. So we have 2 routes in this pack, and Pack Hunt foil. Wrecker Rump, Power, Wrecker Rump, Iron Song, Sharpen, Open, Fighting, and on Blade. Let's go for next video.